Hello everyone! Sometimes I was asked how to build Brave browser. Fortunately, I recently got a new Mac. So, this time, I'm going to show you how to build it Brave from the scratch on my Mac. This is my new Mac 2020 model. It has i5 CPU and 32 GB RAM. It's not a brand new model, but still can be used to build the browser. Without further ado, let's get started. We should install a few things. At this moment, we need Xcode 'Brave browser is a fork of Chromium browser, and Chromium requires minimum SDK version. Most of the time, the minimum version is pretty high. You can install Xcode from the App Store. After you finish the installation, you should check SDK version meets the requirement. Type this command to your terminal. Then you can see the SDKs, like this. And make sure that you have Xcode command line tools with this command. The next thing we need is Node.js. If you watched the last video about building Chromium, you may remember that we should install Depot Tools, which is a collection of tools for Chromium development. But Brave provides handy commands and manages dependencies with npm, so we can skip tricky parts in building Chromium. I used nvm, the Node version manager, to install Node.js. That's because sometimes Brave requires a specific version of Node. You can install nvm with command line. Please visit the nvm repo to get the latest command. That's all we need. Pretty simple, isn't it? Now it's time to get the code. Before showing you commands, let me explain how Brave is working with Chromium. Chromium's root directory is named src, and it contains tons of directories. Brave code is mounted right under src directory, not outside of Chromium, just like other Chromium code. So we cloned the Brave core repository into Brave directory right under src. Once again, the path must be src/brave. Don't just clone it to Brave core or other parent directory. When cloning finishes, you still don't see any other Chromium code. Now, let's get it. First, install Brave's own dependencies. Go to the Brave directory we cloned and run this npm install command. After that, we'll start synchronizing Chromium repo. As Chromium repo is gigantic, this takes a lot of time. If something went wrong and init failed, try with this command again. When it succeeds, now you can start building. Type this into your terminal. It also takes a lot of time, because we need to build the entire Chromium and Brave code. When the build finishes, you can start the browser with this command. That's all. Thanks for watching. If you have any troubles or questions, please leave comments.